dramatic element, the denouement, or the resolution, when all the loose ends have to be tied up in a logical way. Remember, the obligatory scene gives the audience emotional pleasure, but the denouement offers the audience a logical conclusion. That's the subtle distinction we need to try very hard to keep in mind. So, as I said, the well-made play, this form of playwriting, became the basis for realism in drama and for a lot of very popular 19th century plays. And also a pattern we find in the plots of many later plays and even movies that we see today.
Wow, this was interesting. This was pretty interesting. Okay, let me pause my timer. I have 23 minutes. And I assume when we ask Google and it tells us that we have 36 minutes, maybe Google means everything. And during the test, like you'll have your timer, you might see, instead of 36 minutes, you might see, let's say, 15 minutes. And that timer doesn't include the reading passages, yes? When the listening passages, when you're listening, the timer stops, yeah? So the timer on Google, yes, when we ask Google how much it lasts, like 36 minutes, and the actual timer that you will hear, you will see on your screen during the test day, the numbers will be different, okay? So, yes, if you wrote comments, the evil within, hi the evil within, and thanks for the likes. I will encourage you to like more. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so again, let me show you my notes first, what I did here. So, an A4 paper full of notes, yeah? So 19th century realism, comedies, dramatic developments were around, yeah? Well-made play, yeah, this is the name of this genre, well-made play. It was logically connected, yeah? Sometimes they would start from the end, and logical connection was very important, yeah? And then elements, I think this is important. Logical exposition. See, I just wrote log expo, yeah? I'll remember that it's logical exposition. So trust your brain, yeah? Just write down log expo, logical exposition. So background information revealed, yeah? I just wrote back G, it is background info revealed. Before actors gave speeches, yeah? So earlier, before this, actors would just give speeches on the scene, on the stage. Well-made play, expo, it should be believable. For instance, two servants gossiping, yeah, rumors. Then the second structure, yeah, so I enumerated the components, the elements. The second one, inciting incident. I'm not sure it's written like this, inciting. Maybe the word is different, but I just wrote it down this way. I just wrote the word inciting, I think that's it. What happens, yeah? For instance, the girl meets the young man, yeah? Sets off the plot. So this element sets off the plot, yeah? It starts things going. And which is driven by secrets. Yeah, the plot is often driven by secrets. And for instance, we can learn some info through a letter. Yes, a young man doesn't know this, but we, the audience, knows it, yeah? The plot proceeds with ups and downs. See, instead of just writing ups and downs, I just made some arrows, up and down. So I'm helping myself, yes, with these short notes, ups and down moments, yeah? Instead of writing moments, M-O-M-S. He talks, her dad's furious, yeah? Then the tension is being increased, yeah, increasing tension. The third element, obligatory scene, secrets revealed, happy end. Included in every play, yeah, this was very popular, so this obligatory scene, which was more emotional, was included in every scene. And the fourth one, there is a